Hey everybody, so today I'm super stoked to do my first reaction video. My friend Chrys Johnson sent me his new EP and asked me to do one. So hey, let's give it a whirl. I'm gonna crank it in my headphones there. That's cool. I'm a sucker for those chugs. That vocalist is amazing too. What's his name? Don Wade. Don, you got a great hardcore scream, man. I love those. And growls? Oh! The orchestration is really sick there, even though I talked over it. Fantastic. That was epic. The way that solo came in was amazing. Like it sounded like it broke something and then it became music. That was awesome. My body's reaction to laugh when something's heavy is how I know I like it. Some people get violent and are like thrashing. I'm just like, that's so cool. There's that high-pitched keyboard thing or whatever it is again in the background. I dig that. Ooh, I expected another hit and they didn't give it to me, but I like that. Leave them wanting more. Fortress. I love the trick of when you think they're playing a low open note and then it goes lower. Oh yeah. Just to be that gear nerd for a second, I am curious of the tunings and whatnot just because it sounds so good. Share your secrets, Chrys. Come on my podcast. Or have me on yours even though I'm not famous. Oh. A Tabla solo? Correct me if I'm wrong, Chrys, but made an appearance somewhere else. Was part of this in Devin Townsend's puzzle? It was. Right? Did I just solve the puzzle? You could tell me this was a new release from insert X big metal band, and I would believe it 1000%. Except for the fact that I like it more. It's just incredibly cleanly done without being too sanitized. And I'm all for parts like this. That's beautiful. Dudes, dudettes, children of all ages. Come December 4th, when the rest of you are welcome to pleasuring your ears with this without any of my drabble, you're gonna have a great day. Oh. I don't know how to react. That was terrific. That was amazing. Chrys, Dawn, Devin, Jesse, and whoever I can thank for helping out with that. Oh, you did a great job, because that was amazing. Thank you, Chrys, for sending me that early. I'm very proud to have gotten that link. Go check it out. Buy it on Bandcamp. Stream it on the things that it streams on, if that's what they're doing too. Check out my music if you want to do that. Yeah, that was amazing. Chrys, great job. Vishnu's Rest is a project I've been looking forward to since you started teasing it, and it was worth all of the wait. And wow,